Hi there, it's Taija with WTI and I'm wearing my autumn must-have. It's a PRETTYGARDEN dress that is made of cotton and spandex. So it has two of the things that I love the most about dresses. That they are comfortable and breathable with natural materials, but that they also have the flexibility of spandex. And what I like about this dress the most is the pockets. So I can always have stuff in my pockets. I can put my phone there, keys, things that you need, and you always need to have pockets. And also it has beautiful details like the belt, and also the length is very comfortable. Even though it's a pencil skirt, you can easily walk with it because it has the flexibility, and also it's the perfect length, so it doesn't feel like that it's stucking onto your knees. And it's so comfortable that you can easily sit with this dress several hours in meetings, for example. And also, I like the fact that you can even run with this dress, and it's comfortable both with high heels and with sneakers. So you can go and walk your dog or chase your kids if they escape from you. I mean, whatever is your thing that you need to do in a dress, this is dress for you. And that, of course, is my point of view.